How to find my Discord tokens. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can find a Discord token. So without further delay, let's get started. But before we start, make sure that you never share your Discord token with anyone because it gives full access to your account like a password. So sharing or misusing tokens violates the Discord terms of service and may get your account banned. So make sure that you never share or use tokens with anyone because sharing them can lead to your account hacking or account ban. So with that on your mind, let's see how we can find our Discord tokens in this video. So open up discord.com, make sure that you're signed in. So once you're signed in, navigate to top right corner, click on this three dot icon at the top right. Here head over to more tools, then head over to developer tools. So once you're here, now all you have to do is navigate to this menu bar at the top. From there head over to application. Once you're under the application, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. Again under storage, head over to local storage, click on local storage and expand it up. There you will find https://discord.com. So from there you have to click on it. Now navigate to your right hand side. At the top there is a search bar that says filter. In that filter you have to search for tokens. So type in tokens and then search for it. You may not find tokens here. Now to find the tokens, all you have to do is press Ctrl Shift and M key on your keyboard. Once you press Ctrl Shift and M key, the token will pop up right in the section here. So from there you could copy your tokens. So that's it. That's how you can find your tokens on Discord, but make sure that you do not share that tokens with anyone. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.